Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the Customer Management module. From the home screen, click on the Menu button, then go to Administration, and select Customer Management. This will take you to the Customer Management screen. Here, you can view all existing customers along with their details. You can edit or delete any customer as needed. To add a new customer, click on the Add New button. A pop-up form will appear where you can enter the customer's details such as customer name, customer email, phone number, maximum debit, and reference. After entering the information, click Save, and your new customer will be successfully added. You can also update or remove a customer at any time. Simply click the Edit button to modify their details. From the main screen, click on Invoices, and then select Customer Invoice. This will take you to the Customer Credit Invoice Management screen. Now, select the customer whose invoice you want to pay. Here, you will see all their invoices along with their status, whether paid or unpaid. To make a payment, click on the Pay button. A payment form will appear where you can choose between cash or card payment options. I will proceed with the cash option for this example. You will now see different currency notes, and if needed, you can switch to the keyboard toggle to manually enter the amount. After entering the amount, simply click on the Process Payment button. And that's it, you have successfully completed the payment. And that's how you can manage your customer in Spirit VPOS.